How to sell a used articulated dump truck. When it comes to selling an articulated dump truck, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It is advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your ADT. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the ADT, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the engine and its components, tires and tread, the transmission, the truck frame and bed, the steering and controls, all hydraulic systems, and finally, the axle configuration and payload. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.